Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In a long time we didn't do a commentary, but you guys asked for it. Follow us on our Instagram, Facebook and other social medias, and we read your comments. So here we go today. As you might have known already, following us, as I just mentioned, we are making a brand new wing. We tailor make it for the Lamborghini Huracan, but actually it's going to be also available for some other supercar models later on. But a couple of background information first before we go into some details here on the wing. By the way, here I'm going to show you on the right side how we develop it, design it in 3D after we did a 3D scan on the car. Now the car that you see on the left, it's the Huracan EVO2, the GT3 series car, and you might or might not know that this is actually not a Huracan. Now Lamborghini designed the car and there's a lot of technology from the Huracan inside, but the chassis is actually a totally different car, which means vice versa, that if you have a Huracan and you want to get any of those parts from the EVO2 to your Huracan, it's actually not possible. Because, as I said, it looks like a Huracan. We suspect Lamborghini made that car for marketing reasons, but it's not a Huracan. So we were approached by a customer and who really loved this massive EVO2 wing. The wing is approximately 194 centimeters in reality, and of course his LP610 is not as wide. So we said, look, it's a different car, but we can definitely reverse engineer the car. So that's what we did. The first thing we did is we still kept in row with some of the FIA and other regulations, which means that the wing can only be to a certain percentage of the car body width. We therefore decided that we take the regular Huracan as a base car, because that's what it's going to be installed on. We will not use a wide body Huracan, just a regular one. So this wing is now 175 centimeters wide, still pretty massive. It's shorter than the 190, I think it's 195 centimeters of the EVO2 original, but it would just simply not fit aesthetically as well as aerodynamically. Here now we look a little bit closer. You can see some details here written on the brackets. It says DMC regulation 310.2 rear wing pylon, and we studied the FIA regulations, and this is actually one of the regulations out there. You have to mark the pylons, and it's actually a pretty massive book. I welcome you and I salute you to read all the FIA regulations. But suffice to say that we studied the regulations very well, and because some of the customers might want to use this wing on the track usage as well later on. So we decided to change the wing legs. Let's zoom in here a little bit. The wing legs now look more like the Huracan STO wing legs. But of course, if you really love the EVO2 original brackets, they're going to be available as well. Now let's switch over to the actual part. We finished molding already. Here you see the side flaps with all the settings. You will be able to change the side flaps in all kind of angles and positions. And up there is the wing. The EVO2 wing looks slightly different than the EVO1 wing, by the way. It's a little bit curved at the sides, as you saw just now. Here you can also see it a little bit. And it's made from beautifully super strong pre-packed carbon fiber. It's light yet super strong. Here you see the positions where the side flaps will install on, and these just came fresh out of the mold. We haven't installed them yet on the Huracan, but we will update you again with another video once we did it. This car is going to be a massive, aggressive show car. Let us know some comments down below if there's anything in particular you would like to see in the upcoming video. Until then, enjoy the carbon fiber here. This wing is obviously also available in forged carbon fiber, and just now there was also the 3D sticker. It's gonna look a little bit like this one, what's coming up now. Here, this is the original EVO2 wing on an EVO2 car. But yeah, stay tuned. Thanks a lot for watching today. DMC Live.